Lock up your daughters and send them some swimming trunks. Here are Shed 7 on standby.
Would you stay on standby? Because I need another alibi. In the wrong place at the wrong time. Could you talk a fine rhyme? I need to know that I'll be fine. Bulletproof. It's like I've never been born. We can see in the alleyways. It's like I've never been born. We believe in other ways that you do, and you did, and there's proof that we did wrong tonight. Could you sense a tragedy? Because I saw it on the BBC. There's a panel on that channel. It's like I've never been born. We conceive in the alleyways. It's like I've never been born. And we believe in other ways that you do, and you did, and there's proof that we did wrong tonight. And tonight you can cry if you want to, but it won't help you. You can cry if you want to, but it won't help you to get you through this crime. It will plague you. Stand by. It's like I've never been born. We conceive in the alleyways. It's like I've never been born. We believe in other ways that you do, and you did, and there's proof that we did wrong tonight. And we did wrong. We did wrong.